Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and chart data to help you make informed trading decisions. Today, September 30th, 2024, we're analyzing AUDUSD, the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. This week, the global market saw significant movement due to the announcement of a stimulus package by China. This package is designed to revive the Chinese economy after the COVID-19 pandemic. The stimulus has triggered a surge in commodity prices like copper and iron ore, which are heavily exported by Australia. As a result, the AUDUSD has rallied strongly, hitting a 2024 high of 0.6941. The Reserve Bank of Australia, RBA, kept interest rates unchanged at 4.35% at its meeting on September 24th, but maintained a cautious stance on inflation. The RBA signaled it could be some time before inflation returns to its target range, indicating a potential for further gains for the AUDUSD later in the year. However, uncertainty about the effectiveness of the Chinese stimulus and its actual implementation remains a key concern for investors. Let's dive into the charts to get a clearer picture of where AUDUSD might be headed. We'll start with the daily chart, spanning the last year, to understand the broader trends and price levels. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that AUDUSD has been on an upward trajectory over the past few months. The pair broke through a major resistance level at 0.6500, suggesting a bullish trend. However, it's important to note that the rally has been quite volatile. The pair has experienced several pullbacks, indicating potential profit-taking or bearish sentiment. The 0.6500 level now acts as a strong support level, and a break below this level could signal a shift in the trend. On the upside, the AUDUSD has rallied to a 2024 high of 0.6941. This level could act as a strong resistance level, as it represents a psychological barrier and a significant high. A break above 0.6941 would indicate strong bullish momentum and could push the AUDUSD towards further gains. The next key level to watch is 0.7000. This level also represents a psychological barrier, and a break above this level would signal a major bullish breakout. Looking at the recent price action, we can see a series of higher highs and higher lows, which strengthens the bullish argument. However, we also see some potential signs of a bearish reversal. The RSI indicator is nearing overbought territory, indicating that the AUDUSD might be due for a pullback. It's important to watch the RSI and price action closely to identify any signs of a reversal. If the AUDUSD pulls back from the current levels, the 0.6800 and 0.6700 levels could act as important support levels. To gain a more detailed understanding of the current market sentiment and potential short-term price movements, we'll move on to the 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart provides a more granular view of price action, allowing us to identify potential trading opportunities. Let's zoom in on the last few weeks of data on the 1-hour chart. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we can see that the AUDUSD has been consolidating in a narrow range recently. The pair has been trading between 0.6800 and 0.6900, indicating a lack of clear direction. However, there are some important clues that suggest the AUDUSD could be poised for a breakout. The consolidation pattern suggests a period of indecision among traders, but the bullish trend remains intact. We can see a series of higher lows, which indicates that buyers are stepping in to support the AUDUSD. The RSI indicator is above 50, suggesting that bullish sentiment is slightly stronger than bearish sentiment. The next key level to watch is 0.6900. A break above this level would signal a bullish breakout and could push the AUDUSD towards the 0.7000 level. However, if the AUDUSD breaks below the 0.6800 level, it could indicate a shift in the trend and potentially lead to a pullback. To understand the very short-term price movements and identify potential entry points, we'll switch to the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart provides the most granular view of price action and allows us to see how traders are reacting to news and events. On the 15-minute chart, we can see that the AUDUSD has been trading in a sideways pattern. The pair has been bouncing between 0.6900 and 0.6920, indicating a lack of clear momentum. The RSI indicator is below 70, suggesting that the AUDUSD is not in overbought territory. However, the bullish trend remains intact. We can see a series of higher lows, which indicates that buyers are stepping in to support the AUDUSD. The next key level to watch is 0.6920. A break above this level would signal a bullish breakout and could push the AUDUSD towards the 0.6940 level. However, if the AUDUSD breaks below the 0.6900 level, it could indicate a shift in the trend and potentially lead to a pullback. It's important to watch the price action closely on the 15-minute chart to identify any signs of a breakout or a reversal. We can see that the AUDUSD is currently trading around 0.6913. This level could act as a strong support level. A break below this level could signal a short-term bearish trend. To summarize, the AUDUSD is currently in a bullish trend, but there are some potential signs of a reversal. The key price levels to watch are 0.6920 and 0.6900. A break above 0.6920 would signal a bullish breakout and could push the AUDUSD towards the 0.6940 level. A break below 0.6900 could indicate a shift in the trend and potentially lead to a pullback. The 0.6800 level could act as an important support level. It's important to watch the RSI indicator and price action closely to identify any signs of a reversal. The AUDUSD is a commodity currency and is often influenced by commodity prices. With China's stimulus package expected to boost commodity prices, the AUDUSD could continue to rally. However, uncertainty about the effectiveness of the stimulus and the RBA's rate stance could limit the AUDUSD's gains. It's important to keep an eye on the news and events surrounding China and the RBA to make informed trading decisions. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts, and happy trading.